Hi guys, Glader here. So today I'm here with another Spyro Unity3D update, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a new feature of the Glader Spyro's tools. This is sort of a series, so you should probably go check out the playlist in the description if you haven't seen the other videos. Or if you're interested in the tools, they're open source, and a link to that repository will also be in the description. So you might be wondering what's on my screen right here, and if you're familiar a little bit with Spyro stuff, you'll actually realize, hey, this is the Skybox. In fact, this is one of the Skyboxes from the first game. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some issues of what happens when you bring in a Skybox from Spyro World Viewer. And this wasn't an issue for me. There's a few ways that this can be solved, and I was solving it in one way in particular, but I've come up with a better solution recently. And the issue is that the faces aren't pointed inward like you would expect them to. And so you get an issue like this. And so what I was doing for a little while was I was just turning off back face culling, which basically means you can see from both sides. But that made the portal shader a little bit more difficult to implement, and it was also causing some other issues as well. And so what I've done now, let me go ahead and remove that from the shader, is I've written some code in the tools to allow you to correct the direction that these faces are facing. So if we actually pull up the tools, I'll just give you a brief overview of what's going on or what's going to happen. Scroll down here. Here it is. So basically it inverts the normals if they're pointed the wrong way, but it also has to rearrange the triangle order if it finds that the normals of those vertexes are the wrong way, but we do it by surface instead. So you have to iterate the triangles, and I read online that you just reordered them and it flips the face direction. And so what I did is flip the face direction. So nothing too special there. But let's go ahead and see it in action. So we'll go ahead and use vertex blending, we'll save them, and we'll fix the skybox normal. So this will be about as long as it takes for skyboxes, so let's see what happens. Alright, it's running right now. Alright, now it's saving. Takes a moment to save those meshes. There we go. Now it is only facing inward, and so this makes it possible to implement the actual skybox portal shader a little bit easier. So I'm going to be working on that a little later, and I might actually be able to accomplish the original effect from Spyro now that this is possible, because I have a few ideas in my head how exactly that's going to work. One thing I'm very curious about is why these things don't show up. These little stars. Can't see them anymore. Let me disable a few of these pieces. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know if those are supposed to be visible or not, but I'll have to look into that. But this new feature is going to be available in 0.0.3. Right now we're on 0.0.2. You can go download them. I've got a release for that on the GitHub repository. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I know it wasn't too graphically interesting, but hopefully it was still interesting. Thanks for watching.